Hello, teacher Alfie.
Wow, what's your name?
My name is Anna.
Anna, tell me, how old are you?
I'm five.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. Anna, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
Yes, exactly. Anna, what's this?
This
Good. This one?
is
This?
spoon.
Good. This one?
Fox.
This one?
This pot.
This?
Banana.
Good job. This one?
Sugar.
This?
Bowl.
Good. What this?
Milk.
This? Oh,
Oven.
oven. Very good. Now look. What's this?
Sink.
Good. This one?
Fish.
Fridge. Oh,
Nail pot.
good.
Mountain.
Mountain. This one?
Nose.
Good. This one?
Newspaper.
Okay.
Octopus.
Mhm.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. This one?
Quarter.
Water. This one?
Watermark.
Hmm?
River.
Hmm?
Runner.
Runner. Wow, that's all for today. Give me high five, Anna. Fun. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.